Good afternoon, world. Welcome to another episode of Dr. Nate Live. Tuesday, October 17th, 2023. Taco Tuesday, everybody! For all you people that love tacos, I love tacos too. If you come hang out with me in Arizona, I'll get you some tacos. Anywho, so I was kind of going through some of the emails last night and was seeing all the fun stuff going on with Unity. And I've just gotten to this conclusion. It's like Unity was having a hard time figuring out how they're monetizing their platforms and systems. I was like, you guys are doing it great. It's just, what are you wasting money on? Are you wasting money on a building that you don't need? Are you wasting money on, overpaid employees and developers? And don't mind, everybody's worth every penny, but what's the ROI on them? I think companies have forgotten, why they hired somebody to put them in that position. And, quality is there, right? It's development there, production's there. All sorts of things go into that factor, and I think they focused on too much on how to make money with the video game rather than focus on their current structure and systems and processes. Because during Corona, most people realized they didn't need to have a giant building spending $20,000 a month to house people. Let's work smarter, not harder, right? I don't know. What's everybody else's thoughts on this? Do you want to go in the office every single day, wasting the time, gas, money that you would be more productive than you would be in an office? I'd like to hear some feedback on that, because there's a lot of conflict going on with the office return and things of that nature. Sure, let's have an office, but let's move headquarters so it's not so expensive, maybe. Maybe Silicon Valley is too expensive for the headquarters. What's everybody else's thoughts? Reach out to me, DoctorNateLive@gmail.com. Also, if you got any great AI tools, I'll donate some of my time. If you give me some good AI tools, I'll gladly donate 2 hours of my time. Other than that, we'll see you tomorrow for another great episode of Dr. Nate Live. Have a good day, everybody. Be safe out there.